So this is normally how the room looks. There's just an overhead light, just happens to be up there. Normally you wouldn't see that overhead light at all. It'd look like this. That's the first light over there. That's the fill light. Over there I have the key light sitting right over here. And then behind me, of course, ta-da, that's the hair light. Let's check it again. You ready? You see what it does? And that's it. These aren't expensive lights. They're maybe $100, maybe $150 for all three of them, something like that. So it doesn't take a lot to light it. So that's how I set up the studio. Now the microphone itself, it's sitting right up here. It's about that far away, maybe 10 inches away from my mouth, pointed this way. And that lets me see, or lets it hear. It's like perfect. It's the perfect distance for me to talk to. So I got my key light, I got my hair light. That, by the way, is at whatever full power is for that. That's at about 50%. And this one, the hair light back's here probably down a lot more. You just keep adjusting it until you get basically a hair light. So it just highlights your hair like that. So that's that light, and that light. It doesn't matter what lights you use. You can use cheap $5 lights or $1,000 lights. Just the general idea is to put them there. Now, the way I have this set up, because I wear glasses, is my lights are like this. They're over that way, and then they're up like this, pointing down. The reason being is because if I don't do that, then I get the dreaded reflection. That way I can still see it and I still get some kind of hair light. So that's the lights. As far as camera and recording, if you could see this from the other camera, right there I have my Mix Pre 3 up there running right now. I have my Sony a7S III right there recording. And then I have an aperture monitor I've had for years. They don't even make it anymore. I'm sitting up there so I can see what I'm doing when I'm talking. Normally when you do this, you need to watch out, because what happens is I'm looking at the monitor right now on purpose. But when you do this, you need to look at there is where I should be looking, right there, and talking to you, hello, instead of talking up here. And it also messes this up a little bit. So just remember that when you set this up, that's how you set that up. Now in the back, if you could see back here, back there I have a big giant place where I store a bunch of material, and the door is open like that. Let me go close the door because I want to show you something. Take a look at the difference between this and when I close the door. Okay, that I just set up on there, and what happens is it's sort of like a cover for that, but it's basically, you can buy it anywhere, and it's serrated. It goes up and down and up and down and up and down like this, and it's not, it's made so it basically has, it looks like this, one here, one here, one here, and that diffuses the sound. If you can hear the difference between the sound I just did and the sound I'm doing now, you'll get why I did that. Sometimes I forget to pull that closed, and then I go to edit my video and I'm like, oh, and you can hear it. I post a video anyway, it's not too terrible, but this makes a huge difference on how your sound is. You can also, if you really want to get particular, you can like put blankets all over the place. In fact, I have a blanket over on this side, over there. Back there, that's a fake background back there. It happens to be cloth, so it really grabs up any sound or anything else that I'm speaking, and it does it does what I want it to do, also giving me a background. Here, I'll show you. It's just a cloth background I get from Kate, I believe it is. All these things I'll have links below. And I'm trying to think what else I have for you. The other thing, let's see, we got that, we got the 3-light system. Yeah, and that's basically about it. And the reason why I'm not going into depth into everything and the settings and everything else is because I want you to just understand, if you're a basic new filmmaker, I want you to understand it doesn't take a lot. Just set up where your space is, set up your key light, your hair light, and your other light. Just set them all up, get them all, just keep trying. Film some, check it out, film some. Oh yeah, it's reflecting, let me move those around. Just get your lights set into something accessible. Just get it all set up. Then get your sound set up, so where the microphone's up here, or if you're using a lapel mic or a mic down here, just get it all set up to get the best sound you can get without a lot of interruption and stuff like that, and stuff where you can see where everything is. And then some sort of background. It doesn't have to be like fancy or anything else. I just put some sort of background. I may change it into something like all dynamic and everything else, but for most of my videos, the point of interest, lucky you, the point of interest is me. So that's all I just wanted to say. I wanted to give you some ideas on how to do that. I'll put a few links to stuff below that you can go check out that are fairly cheap, but don't cheap out because you want to be cheap. Get what you need to make a good quality video, or cheap out really cheap, get practice with the gear that you're buying and checking out on how you can get the most out of that. Then you go and you buy types of gear that's a little more expensive once you know that, okay, that's how it works and that's how I need it to set it up. Great, and I really hope that helps. I really thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Oh yeah, I want to know from you, like leave a comment below. I want to know, do you like when the video ends and at the end I throw in the outtakes, because I always make mistakes. I always do something dumb or something silly happens in most of my videos. Do you like when I put the outtakes at the end? Do you even watch the outtakes at the end? Or would you rather me just go, I hope it helps, I hope it helps, I hope it helps? Or would you rather me just go, I hope it helps, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time, and then the video ends? What do you say? Let me know.